What is Angular CLI? The Angular CLI is a command line interface tools that used to initialize, develop, scaffold, and maintain Angular applications directly from a command shell. Installing Angular CLI. Major versions of Angular CLI follow the supported major versions of Angular, but minor versions can be released separately. We can use the following command npm install -g at angular/CLI to install the Angular CLI component. Let us now see the basic workflow of Angular CLI. To create, build and serve a new basic Angular project on a development server, go to the parent directory of your new workspace and use the following command. ng new my first project will create a new Angular project with name my first project. In order to navigate to your first project's root folder, you can use cd my first project. In order to run your application on the local development server, you can use the command ng serve. Once these commands get executed, you can use your browser to open http://localhost:4200 where you can see your application running. In order to install Angular CLI, we should open the new terminal window in VS Code. In the new terminal, we should say npm install -g at angular/CLI. On executing this command, Angular CLI latest version will get installed globally in our computer. The Angular CLI component is used for making the Angular application development more faster. Using the Angular CLI component, we can generate new Angular application, components, class, etc. etc. Once you say npm install -g at angular/CLI, the installation process goes on like this. Once after you install the Angular CLI, you will be able to develop your Angular application much faster. Once the Angular CLI gets installed successfully, we will see how to create a new Angular application using Angular CLI. Once the Angular CLI is successfully installed, in the terminal window, we can say ng new my first app. My first app is our project name. Once we run this command, the Angular CLI takes some time to create the my first app project. It asks us the question whether to add the Angular routing. We can say yes. It asks which style sheet format we have to use. We select CSS. Once we do that, it starts creating our first app. Once our first project is created, we have to navigate to our first project using cd my first app. Once we navigate to the folder of our first app, we have to say npm start, which in turn will trigger the ng-save command and our application will get compiled. Once our application is compiled, we will be able to see our application running at localhost 4200. During the compilation process, if Angular CLI asks us to share the analytics with Angular team, you can select either yes or no. Once we see the message compiled successfully in the terminal window, we can go to Chrome browser and say localhost 4200. where we can see the application is launched successfully.